How to create an avatar on Facebook. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your personalized avatar. With the help of an avatar, you can comment, send reactions and messages, and set it as your status on Facebook. Let me show you how your time on Facebook can be more interesting. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon here. Below the profile is the Edit Profile button. Click on it. There you will see the Avatar section. To start creating an avatar, click on the Create Avatar and Show on Profile button. You have two options for creating an avatar. You can create an avatar by taking a selfie or manually. I will create it manually, so I will choose the Create Manually option. The first item is skin tone. Select the skin tone that is most similar to yours and click Next. Among the numerous hairstyles, select one as desired. Then choose the hair color. In the field below, adjust the shade by moving left and right. Then choose the shape and width of the face. The next step is the outfit. The choice is really wide. Select the outfit as desired and click the Done button. After a few seconds, your avatar will be ready. Continue by clicking the Next button. As you can see, your avatar is here. In the Express Yourself section, you can create interesting posts and express your creativity. That would be all in this tutorial. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to the channel.